you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a pillow, and not just any pillow, this one. I don't know if you've been seeing, but on Pinterest and on Etsy and other platforms like that, there are pillows that are constantly selling. Hi, my name is Lara, and on this channel, I specialize in all things print on demand and digital products. So I show you how to create these items in Canva, and then how you can basically convert that into money when uploading onto Etsy or onto print on demand platforms like Printify. So in today's video, I am switching back over to print on demand products because I've been posting a couple of digital products. So I think it's time that we switch back over. So as you can see, I've put the pillow on the screen that we're going to be creating. It's a super simple design, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it in under 10 minutes and have it uploaded with keywords and everything. So if you're interested in learning how to create a fun product like this that you can convert into a tangible item, then keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to open up Canva. As you can see, I already have a design here, but we are going to start from scratch for the purpose of this video. So I am going to tap on Instagram post square, and that's going to be the sizing that I use for this pillow. It doesn't really matter. You can kind of size it up. It just makes the resolution better. So feel free to play around with it. So I want to make a coquette kind of inspired custom pillow. So we are going to go into elements, and I'm just going to type in croissant. I've been seeing a lot of this theme around, so I personally love it. And we're just going to pick one. I think I ended up picking this one. You can see there's some that already have it, but when you're trying to sell something, you have to basically change around the elements. Hi, Bruce. So you can't just sell like that for in itself because that's someone else's design. So basically all you're going to do is just combine a few elements. So I'm going to select this one just because I love it. I like how it's watercolored and everything like that. And then you can even kind of change it around if you want to turn the croissant a little bit, which I like. So I'm going to have it like that. And that's our first part. You can add writing if you want. You can really do whatever you want, but I'm going to keep this design super simple to show you that you can do this too. And it literally can be done super quick. So we're going to go back into elements, and now I'm going to type in bow, but because this is watercolored, I'm going to type in watercolor bow and see what comes up. I just want to keep everything looking the same. You can select a few to kind of play around with it. There's blue, pink. I like pink, so I'm going to go with that. And I personally like this one. So I'm just going to play around with it to see how it would look with the bow on top. And it's actually quite cute. I think that looks awesome. It looks like a little gift. So this is the design I'm going to go with. It's that simple. So from here, I'm going to share this and I'm going to save it as a transparent background. This is just so that when we put in the custom pillow, it looks perfect, and the custom pillow just kind of goes around the actual design. So from here now, we are going to go into Printify. So we're going to want to go right into the catalog, and I'm going to type in catalog home because I want to search up this product. So for custom pillow, all you're going to do is literally type in custom pillow, and one of the sellers will pop up. So here we are. This is the one that we're going to use, custom shaped pillows by generic brand. So click on that, and we are going to select this because these come from China. So we are going to start designing with that. Now that we have the blank canvas, we are going to upload our design that we had saved. So I'm just going to go in and select this one. And again, I'm obsessed with how simple this is and how cute it looks. So we are just going to play around with it. You might want to make the sizing on the design a bit bigger if you want. It just changes the resolution, but you can make it smaller, like a cute little pillow, but it doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that the resolution is high or medium. So I'm going to keep mine fairly small so that it prints nicely. So from there, you can also select variants. There's sizing, small, medium, large, and then you can play around with it so that people can choose which they want. So with variants, you might as well just select them all, and then Printify will handle the rest for you. Now I'm gonna save this product, And I love this part because now we get to see mock-ups. As you can see, there's a mock-up of the pillow, so you can just either tap on this, save the design for later, and select which one you want. The front and back are the same, it's just the same design printed. So that is it for the design. Then here we can create a title. So what I'm going to do to save time is I'm going to put some example titles on the screen that you can use if you decide to make a product with this design, because it's super easy and I'm showing you how to do it. And then you can change pricing. So basically you just want to make sure that you have a decent profit. This is already priced pretty well given the profit here. You don't want to lose too much, and typically you want to make a 40% profit margin, but you can play around with it to what you think is fair. But for this, I'm going to keep those pricing the same, and the keywords in the title are perfect. So I'm going to put keywords that you can use. I'm going to put title that you can use, a couple of titles, and feel free to use it and take the idea and let me know if this product is something that you're going to put on your Etsy shop. So I'm really glad that I could show you guys this quick and easy design. I have a ton more to come. Print on demand products I'm having so much fun with. I've been making pajama pants, which I'm going to show you in my next video too on a print on demand product. There's a ton more, and there's ones that you can make kind of holiday themed. So Halloween's coming up, so if you want to get on that, you better do it soon because it's almost here. And then you can do basic fall ones because fall lasts forever, and then get into any Christmas selling that you want to do as well. Because of print on demand, you actually want to get in the market pretty quick. So you want to start posting on Pinterest and start making these products now so that you can actually pitch them more in November and beyond. So do some planning, think of some ideas, use Pinterest. That's what I use to come up with a lot of these custom pillow ideas. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I wanted to keep this video really short and cut out the yapping. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Please like if you haven't and subscribe if you haven't. I'm really happy to have you all here, and the more subscribers we have is the more videos I can make, and I love making them in my free time. So chat soon and happy creating.